All right. Hi. I have to say, I am kind of nervous for this one. That's. It's kind of like when I streamed Overwatch for the first time. Wait, set up a bunch of stuff. Right, okay. So, I. Uh, hmm. Music is too loud. Yeah. Greetings. Hello. I was about to say how this is my first time. I am trying to stream my game dev attempts, which is crazy. I was scared for this for like a year because, okay, I'm gonna work on the game I want to make, which is still very young. I call it my baby game project. Uh, the thing is, I'm not really experienced in programming. I have like 1 year experience, maybe two, if you count my game design degree that I did, but that was game art. It wasn't focused on coding. Yeah, well, I've kind of did it, and then I didn't do it for months again because uni is so busy. And then I did it again, and now I'm like, keep stop trying to keep putting it off to do it on the stream, because the stream is a tool that I should be using. The stream helps me to stay consistent on working on it. Last year I worked on it a bit, and then the exams came around and I just stopped working on it, and it didn't start again until like 1 month ago. I don't want this to happen again. With that being said, there's so many amazing game dev streamers on Twitch, and they intimidate me so much because, well, a lot of them have been working for years, and I'm just effing around in Unity. But I should stop being scared of it. Like, everyone has a learning curve, and I have mine. I saw a quote: "All failures are psychological before death." That helped my fear of failure. That's cool. I'm gonna have to think about this one a little, but I will remember it. Thanks for sharing. Also, I really gotta learn how to do this stream interaction. I'm still a bit awkward about it, but you learn by doing. So I yeah, the Pomodoro thing that I always forget. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, do you want to start working? You mentioned about that you planned on doing game dev. Do you have a specific idea in mind, or do you just wanna, I don't know, make small projects, game jams or something? Personally, I've had specific ideas many times, and I quit all of them. But I want to say that every time I start over, I'm a little bit more confident in Unity, so it's not a complete loss of time. Uh, Interact. A spaceship shooter top down. That's so cool. I love shooters. Like, I'm bad at them. I'm just I considered putting it in my bio, but I don't stream gaming that much. But like, I'm notoriously bad at video games. I mean, top down is kind of different, but that doesn't change the fact that shooters are very satisfying. Well, I wish you a lot of success with that perspective project. For me, what I want to do is a cozy campsite building game, because actually this year I didn't go barely went camping, but I love going camping. Not with a tent. I am a bit of a princess, but with the camping car or something like that. And I want to, like, think Planet Coaster, but camping and less sophisticated because it's supposed. My problem with game ideas is that I scope them way too big and then I can't finish them. So I'm trying to make it like simple. And I barely have anything. For some reason, also my order of doing things is weird. Because here's what I have. I all I did was pathfinding because I wanted to work on pathfinding and A star. So what I have here is, and by the way, for this building system, I want on one-to-one use the tutorial on YouTube. I think it was Sunny Valley Studio. So shout out to that guy. So okay, so this is what it does, the project. Last thing I worked on was when I delete their goal, they stop walking. And when I put the goal back, they should be walking towards that new goal, but there's some weird stuff going on. Like they walk back and forth for a while. I gotta figure that out, what that's all about. But yeah, that's what this thing has for now. But I think I gotta focus more on the basics. So I did add the menu scene. And then like, I have a bunch of like wishes that I want to do. I have actually wrote down 3 things that I want to do today. I don't know how long I'll be streaming. Usually I go for 2 hours, but I've been feeling kind of under the weather, to use an English expression. So we'll see. We'll see how long I stay, but Oh yeah, I need to remember to switch windows. I am currently capturing application because I hate screen sharing. I need to remember to switch over to VS Code when I do that. But yeah, my 3 to-dos are adding a fast forward button because it's so annoying to keep waiting for those people to walk. Proper level select, and having a camping closed, camping open button, and requiring it to have certain structures. So that's what I want to do. So for now, because for now, the whole game thing, this button, this button, it just, where is it? It's menu manager. Oh, also, just as a warning, I have this habit of creating singletons every time. I love them. I don't know. Here. So the level thing is just hard-coded. We're just we're just loading the scene. But we're doing the fast forward button. Damn, this is gonna be annoying, that whole manual window switching. Gotta figure something out before I get a second monitor. Which I've been telling myself to do for over a year. And I keep procrastinating it. Go ahead. I do the fast forward button first. Are we on Unity? Yeah. I use visual scripting. My coding expertise is non-existent. Yeah, that's cool. Do you have an engine picked out? Like, I would say for visual scripting, Unreal Engine. It's pretty. I've never tried Unity's visual scripting, to be honest, because I don't really like it. I like the typing, but I use a lot of Unreal Engine during my studies, and it was very fun. Yeah, Unreal Engine is very cool. I could only recommend. With Godot, I have no experience, but I hear a lot of people like it. I think they use some kind of Godot Python based language. I don't know. I don't know if they have visual scripting. So I don't know, but yeah. Let me. Also, I once heard someone say, I don't know if that I don't remember who it was, and I don't know if it's true, but it resonated that Unreal is geared towards artists more and Unity is more towards programmers. Yeah, but I don't know if that's... I mean, I've used both. If I was only doing art, I would probably do Unreal Engine. But I don't know. I don't like the blueprints. Okay, I need to focus. This is where I put the button. There's like absolutely zero UI design in here, by the way. I'm just throwing stuff on there. This is why it's a baby game. So where do we have this? Well, it should not go in here, to be honest. What's this? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, that's that. Oh, I wanted to get rid of that. I don't like the building mechanic that I have right now. Then we have the build panel. I think I'll just put it here. Yeah. Well, I hope they do implement it. I think visual scripting is quite nice as an idea because it makes it more accessible. Also, people might just enjoy switching between them. Like, I don't know. Just add a button. Fast forward button. Already have the method because I copied it from a past project. Hey. Come on. Why are you not moving? Already gotta figure stuff out at this point. I don't like having to figure stuff out. Huh. That sure is interesting. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna delete it and put it somewhere else. Because I don't like figuring stuff out. Oh, maybe this one... Oh yeah, it's in a layout group. So I put it at the wrong place. It's been a while. This has been like a year or so when I did that. When I did all of this. It's probably a year ago now. So just put it here. I just love this, like, I just 5 minutes ago created this UI element Unity aesthetic. Okay, last game I used this, I did something, I just did this here in the text. Wait, no. Yeah, that's what we're going with. That is the button. Oh my god, it looks so... That's not good. Still too big. How about 35? I don't know. We don't care about what it looks like. We just want it to work. I am looking forward to the art part of all of this because I always see myself as an artist first. Very experimental in the programming realm. I think I have the fast forward method already. I just don't know. Is it in managers? Yeah. Oh, I need to first add this. Managers. What? No, I need to actually... That doesn't work like that. I need to put this one. And then the fast forward. I wonder if it already works. I do that thing. I usually do that thing where I just did one little tweak and I didn't fully implement the thing, and I just run it to see if it just happens to work already. Like sometimes I do it when I know very well that it's, oh, I placed it definitely in the wrong place. Like I'll try to implement a new feature and I'll write one method when it takes 3 and then I'll test it after that one method just to see what kind of bugs I just created. That's weird. I don't know. I guess I just like chaos. Chaos is great. By the way, this is set currently so that the visitors only spawn when there's this reception and the camping spot. And soon I'm gonna add another condition. All right. Look, it works. That's the beauty of stealing from past projects. So that method, first of all, let me switch to Visual Studio Code again. That method, where's my manager? Game manager, G, where did it go? It's this method. Thanks. That's all it takes. I don't know. Maybe it'll cause me problems in the future. This is all very bare bones, but that's literally it. What's the next thing I will do? Already one thing crossed off my list. That's insane. Like, the stream will be over very soon. No, I'm probably gonna have to do other things that I didn't plan when I warm up to the idea of failing in public. But yeah, what was I doing next? Oh yeah, the button is at the wrong place. Let me switch back. I need a shortcut for that. No, actually, I know the solution. I just don't want to deal with. Wait. Oh yeah, when I minimize the window, that happens. That makes sense. Let me. Where did I put it? It needs to be at the UI level. So I do wonder what happens when I just press it when nothing, like right away. Let me check. Yeah, it works. Alright. Well, that's that. That's the fast forwarding thing. What was the other thing I want to do? Level select. Oof, now I have to think about that. I don't want to think about that. So the level select is just... Let me go to VS Code. Right now, I have it in Menu Manager. Yeah. I don't like thinking. Current level. I will need a array of levels. Oh, there was a thing with the build index. Let me research that. Unity. Right, scene manager dot load scene. Okay. We have it's given the build index of 0, which will I don't like having too much choice. I don't know if I should be using the build index thingy. Well, would it make sense? Not really. Because I want this level selecty thingy to be... I don't know if I even need that. Well, okay, here's the thing. I kind of want the player to be able to pick from certain territories, like from certain... Well, since Planet Coaster is kind of an inspiration, you know, you could like build your camping site in the forest. You could like have a forest level. You could have like a level near the sea and stuff like that. That's what I want it for. So I should probably be doing it. Not with the build index, because then you just have like... I could make a dictionary technically, but I don't know if that's so smart. I might go and implement day and night. Not so soon. It's in my could have column. So I have this Excel sheet. I've just got to read out what I have on it. So like in school, we used to have this scale with must have, should have, could have. We do the could haves last. But I will try to do the must haves first, which is like main menu, settings menu, clicking, dragging for the path, because that's really annoying. What I do have to do right now, camera control. Already got that with the tutorial. Camping stats, upgrades, money management, speed up pause. Already did that. Object context. When you click on an object, you can upgrade from there. A save system. Object rotation when placing. Okay, that's what I just have on my sheet right now. And all of that comes before the day and night. But ideally, I would like a day and night. That would be cool. I don't know. Or seasons, what you suggested. Because seasons is also pretty cool. But that's all like later for later. I just want to know if I can make a functioning simple thing. And it's already not simple enough for my level. Like already going for more than I can fluently do. I have to research at many times. But that's how you learn things. And I like a challenge. I'm wondering if I should screen share after all. So you can see what I'm actually Googling. So let's just read the documentation. A little bit. So that's the build index thing. I don't want to use that, but here's something with parameters. I usually just use the one that's scene management dot load scene, like the thing I have here. Scene manager dot load scene, and then I usually, until now, I've always just done that because I never got that. Actually, no, I have a project open that I can use to... This is an old project. This is an old project that I did with another streamer. His streaming name is Code with Martin or something. We did something there. Let me check what we did there. This is actually where I copied the whole menu manager thingy from. So that's that. No, that's okay. I just realized. Yeah, I stole it from there, and we didn't implement that. Okie dokie. I guess we have to research scene parameters. So what is he doing in this thingy? Scene manager dot load scene number. Oh, that's interesting. What? Scene B is giving the scene build index of 0, which will load scene A from the build. Okay, that's the build index though. Description. Scene, load scene. This is a scene in. It loads 3 copies of scene 2. Each copy has the same name. C2 parameters. I don't get what that means. You know what? What I learned, the thing I learn with like these things is I just do what I know. And I can always refactor later. I know that's like my favorite procrastination sentence. I can always refactor later, but it's true. I can. So here's what I'm gonna do. Menu manager. Should I make a new script for the whole levels thingy? Oh, that'd be crazy. I can always move it into a new script later. I just want to write it. Let me do. How do you use a effing dictionary? Wait, do I have a dictionary somewhere? No, that was somewhere else where I did that. I guess I don't. Let me quickly look it up. I need a cheat sheet. Dictionary in C#. I want to do it. I love dictionaries. Oh, it just. I don't know why it's like that. It's int. Oh yeah, actually that's correct. There should probably like a dynamic method of loading these, but I'll do it manually right now. So we have, I guess it's probably just also it's weird that this is called main and it's just one level, but I just want to set it up so I have it. I'm not even gonna add a second one. I just want to have it. So here we would be, okay, now I need to look up how to get I never notice. For every language, I have to look it up. How to get string by key. C#, how to get value by key dictionary. ID is, okay, it says string. Okay, I should get, that should be fine. Bruh. CNAME. No, actually, it equals levels. Level. I don't know if that works. And then here we just do CNAME. I don't know if that works. Wait, did I switch? Yeah. Okay. Brother fear. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to Unity. Now we should, okay, actually we need to go back to the main menu scene. And just temporarily get this. And here we have select level, and this forest map is the forest map button, and this level is 0. Okay, just fix this. And let's do it. Okay. Oh, that was easy. I should not be celebrating something this easy. Okay, but at least now I have something. And I'm not gonna I'm not gonna refine this further, because just like with the seasons day-night cycle thing, which is something I would like to have, but it's for a later stage in the project. I want the basics first. So we're gonna move on. This is no longer hard coded. It's kind of weird. I have to say that it's kind of weird because it's weird that I'm adding. Well, I guess I want it to be more elegant. I want that when I add a scene somewhere in Unity, that it will somehow automatically be gotten here. I think there must be like some kind of Unity method to get the scenes from the build index thingy. And like, it's probably an elegant way to do this, but I'm not gonna worry about this now. So we have to level select. That's all right. Let me just get my Trello on. Next thing I have on my list is it's adding the open versus closed mechanic. Oh, that'll be fine. That'll be fine. So my checklist reads putting bool in camping stats, check bool for visitor spawning, and required structures for visitor spawning. Okay, we'll get there. Let's first do it in Visual. Wait, it's not Visual Studio Code. Did I call it Visual Studio? It's so weird. It's Visual Studio. What's this thing called? It's so confusing. Why? I don't know, it's the purple one. Purple one, okay. Camping stats. I have this thing, camping stats, which of course is a singleton, which of course I am initiating very weirdly. I initiate them differently every time. This is also very weird. Like, I'm not even using this. I need to fix it. I know, I need to fix my weird singleton initializations. But that's for later because it's boring and I don't want to do it. Probably gonna just steal something from the official Unity Learn resources or something. Let's not look at this. Let's collapse this actually, so we don't have to look at the atrocity of whatever that is. We have essential structures. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I don't know. Can you tell that I love dictionaries? I love dictionaries. I don't know. It's like a thing. Also, I love inheritance, and a lot of people hate it, but for some reason, I love it. Maybe I will learn to hate it when I learn more about coding. But for now, I think it's neat. How should I do it? It's not a park. Don't call it a park. Camping is open. Or should I just call it is open? I'm gonna just call it is open. And then what do I do? What do I do with that? Sometimes I get brain farts. You know, you get that too, like where you're doing something and it's not a challenging, cognitively speaking, challenging task, but your brain stops sometimes. And you're like, you have this emptiness in your brain for a few seconds. And then you need to find the focus again. It might be ADHD thing, or neurotypical people get it too. I don't know. Just my focus like breaks regularly. It's frustrating, and then I have to find it again, and it sometimes takes me like 5 minutes until I found like the train of thought again. It's certainly enough. And I have that right now. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Oh, I'm working on this bool is open thing. I'm not sure if I should make it. Oh, it's completely related to a button. What I don't know what confused me about this so much, but yeah. Okay. Open site. Is it a site? Do I call it a site? I don't know. We'll see. No, I want it to be something like the fast forward button. That when I click it again, it does the opposite. I need to play more Planet Coaster to take more inspiration. Or maybe not too much. I don't want to make it a clone or something. Let me copy from myself like always, because why would I do the same thing twice? Like put in the thinking powers twice. I wouldn't. Oh, this is just very basic. Okay, I'll do that. No, actually, I don't need to do that. I'll just do this. Is open. I don't know. This should do it. And then it's not called open site anymore, but what should I call it then? See, this is one of the most challenging things when it comes to programming, I think, since I haven't done it for long. But I think it's naming variables. It's up there. It is up there. Yeah. Naming things in general, not variables. Like for example, this one, it's not open. I'm changed. Like it's switch. It's a switch. What do you call, like English wise? What do you call the opening and closing action of something? Wait, let me Google it. The act of opening or closing a building name. Okay, no, that's very bad Googling. I don't know. I'm so stuck on this. I'm stuck on this now. Switch. I feel like there's a word. It's something like switch park. It's not a park. It's a site. Site. You know, there's a noun for this. Switch. Open status. I don't know. Let's just call it switch open status. I can't think of anything else. That's what it's called now. Oh, the compiling times. I just jammed the button on here because I'll do the design later. Did I put design in my stream title? I should remove design. I'm not designing anything. I'll just rename it. I need to rename it. I don't want to be like lying in my stream title. Switch opens. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. I wanted to slap just a button on here to open or switch the park, but I have in mind how I want to do it otherwise. Wait, let me show you. So what I want to do later is that, and this is again inspired by Planet Coaster, but I want to click on the park opening gate or something, and there I should be able to open it. I think I should write to GDD. I've been putting that up. I have a very basic game concept document, but I don't. Oh, I could show you this actually. I should be able to. I should show you this. That'll be interesting. Let me. Here's the concept. So here's what I have. It's like a campsite management thingy with the goal to slowly upgrade it and get more visitors. Very basic camping plot. Okay. Art, sound. Well, that's not now. I haven't done any money management either yet. That'll come at some point whenever I feel like implementing it. Creating a popular extra place. Yeah, so the end goal is to have like one of these super cool, like with swimming pool restaurants and like a grocery store and stuff like that. Quiet place, completely secluded. Construction and management simulation game. I had to look that up. Mechanics, building system, upgrades, unlocking, because I love that. Money management. I will have to make a lot of research also on how to properly balance it. I just know I want to do it, but I will need to research actually, not even just how to program it, but just how to design it. Speed pause, that's very easy. Obviously I need to design it better, but that's something else. And then UI toolbar. Yes, obviously nice UI. Okay. So that's what I got. But I need to work it. I need to work on it. What was I doing? I got distracted again. Oh, I showed you something in Unity and I forgot to switch. Here. I want. So that's my current idea I have. I just want to be able to click on the park opening and open it that way. But I'm currently thinking I could technically could be opening it in the UI on the UI as well. And either way, that's how I'm gonna do it now. I'll just put it. I'll just slap it. I'll just slap it on there. I'll just slap it on there. Yeah. Oh my god, no, that's not what I wanted. Building panel. On this very top level, probably. Later, I'll have to. UI design is one of the things I'm most scared of. Later, I'll have to obviously do that. What was I doing? Yeah, button. I'll just duplicate this one. I hate call it open park button. And we're gonna put it in the top corner. And then boom. It needs to be smaller. I don't like how big it is. And then the text is just gonna say open. It's not a park, it's a camping. Open camping. That's what I'm gonna call it. Open camping. Actually, no. I want to have it like this. And then I'll have to make it maybe 20, 18. I should probably make it just as big as this, the building. Which I'm gonna get rid of, by the way. Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of this budget. The font size is 24. Alright, I'll make it 24 then. No. Let's put it back here. Do I already have the open button method? Oh, I put it in camping stats. That's the wrong place. To put it somewhere. I need to put it in game manager. Wait. Wait a minute. Yeah, I will move it. I will move it. No, should I move it? Should I move it? I don't know. I feel like is open should be in the stats. I don't know. I'll do it like that. We'll see. We can always move it later. Can always fix it. Create a problem first and then think of fixing it. That's my philosophy. Um. Oh, it's already here. Good. Because I copied it. So it's open status. Alright, but I'm actually not using it yet. So now I already feel the urge to playtest, even though I didn't do anything yet. Alright, so this changes. And now the spawning thing. Is that happening in stats? No. Visitor spawner. Visitor spawner. Where are you? I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Am I even in the right? Yeah, I'm in VS Code. But I feel like I forgot to share Unity just now. Oops. Right. I'll take a break in 2 minutes after I did that. Spawn visitor. Where am I doing it? This is weird. Why am I doing that? Oh. I don't know if that's good. I'm just doing it. I can always change. I won't say it. I won't say it. Should spawn visitors. Oh. That's where I do that. Okay. Fine. Well, that ended up being way more easy than I thought. Oh, actually, I tried to do some naming convention thing that I completely forgot about. Yeah, now this is good. Alright, now we can play test it. Oh, it doesn't even have any initial value, I just realized. I can't do that yet. Okay, now we can play test. Okay. Oh, no. Whoop. So I put a reception down, I put a spot down, and then nothing should spawn. Okay. Look at this. That was by a tutorial. The camera movement is a tutorial by Game Dev Guide on YouTube. Great, a couple of great tutorials on that YouTube channel. Okay, now we open it. What happens if I close it again? Does no one else spawn? That's interesting. Okay, we'll fix that later. We'll fix that later. I need to go to the bathroom, so I'll take a quick break. Break time. Mm, also, Pomodoro. Also, playing ad. Yeah, I'm trying out how the ad thing works. So sorry, but I want to be doing anything, anyways. Be right back. All right. It's so cute, guys. My dog came in while I was gone. Now she's lying on my bed. It's so sweet. Ah. All right, let me just. Oh, she's so sweet. I love her. I'm gonna go pet her. Be right back. All right. So, I might have to get up when she wants to get up, when she wants to leave, because I always close the door. Mm. Also, by the way, just a quick disclaimer, next week my uni will start, so I will be streaming at different times. On Wednesday, I try to make my streams on Wednesday, but I have to see how my schedule actually feels like IRL. It looks like it would be the best streaming day, but we'll see how what the courses actually are. And once I know, I'll put it on Twitch. But usually, under the week, I should probably be streaming in the evening, so from 8, like the European time. I always forget uh, the name of my time zone because there's so many. like they call it so many different things. There's like UTC or UCT or something like Universal Time Code, and then there's CEST. I feel like I might be. I'll have to research it. Okay. So the break timer is over. I try to figure out the POC opening thingy, which is the last thing on my list for today, and which is at 1 hour. So I might be able. I'll see what I do after that. Because a lot of things I want to do require more research. Okay, let me go back to the thing. I think I'm gonna screen share because it's probably annoying if I forget to put the right thing on. So let me just quickly check what I don't want to have on here. Turn this off. Turn this off. Okay. Sorry, I have this brain fart thingy again. I have it all the time. It's so annoying. Yeah. I'm wondering if I should cut that off. Probably. Anyways, that's good. What's the thing? And that's my two GDDs. Right. Now I remember. I want to do. I want to fix that. So let me let me. Where is the thing? I put it here. First of all, I want to know if this works. Just call it what it is. No, I know this works. And then here, I'm doing that. Wait, why am I doing it this way? I could just be doing this. Wait. That's weird. I want to do that. I don't know what the difference is. Might not be a difference. Okay. What was I? Well, all I'm changing is this. And this is whether it's open or not. So let's say it goes in here. Okay, I have this set right now. No, I have this set. So it goes in here. It's true because it's open. The first time worked, right? It's true it goes in here. It's like, oh, okay. It does that immediately. It's because of this that it's not working the way I want it to. But this is only a debug method anyways. Because technically it should be... I don't know. I don't even know what the final... Okay, the final goal in my head is to... they should spawn according to what kind of reputation the camping has and what kind of structures they have. And there should also be types of visitors. Like, for example, if the camping... Well, that's more late production, but if the camping had a swimming pool, then more families would spawn. That's my vague idea of it. But right now, I think all I want is for visitors to regularly spawn. As long as certain conditions are filled. Let's just say very basic feature implementation. Visitors spawn regularly. In the same density as long as some conditions are met. Is that too... There could also be a specified spawning amount limit. My English is so bad in this. I need to... I don't know. I need to read more, I think. Sometimes I feel like my English is kind of very basic. Okay. Sometimes I need to look if my dog is satisfied. She's in my responsibility now. Oh, sorry. I get this tick sometimes. It's so annoying. And when I start doing it, I have to do it several times. As long as... Okay, as far as this looks like for me, this should... Maybe I should just build the method differently. Maybe I should just build it like this. So, okay, I keep track of the spawn amount of spawn visitors. The for loop is bad. Wait, or maybe not. It goes here. Wait. It goes here. It waits. Does it? If it's false, we wait again. Let's try this. I don't like the debug. I prefer just debug log, but let's just... Oh, I have the break tester on. I just realized. Sorry about that. I need to research how to set up shortcuts for real. This might be one of those songs that I recently stole from another streamer's playlist. I think I've been stealing a lot of songs from the Deaf Dad streamer, if you know. Amazing streams. Wait, what was I doing? Oh, on the spawn visitors. Wait, okay, for that I need to do this. I definitely need to change these camera movement. Like the tutorial was great that I followed, but I need to customize it. Okay. I open it. I need to have some feedback here. Is it work? Oh, I keep forgetting. I put on the debugger and then I keep forgetting I did it. What was it again? I think I like to step into F11. Okay, so this gets called. It spawns. It's true, blah blah blah. It gets called. I get it. It spawns the visitor, blah blah. It called spawns the visitor. Path. Oh, I should not have stepped into. I don't want to look at all of that. Step over. I should use step over. Okay. It waits. Then it does a bunch of stuff. Oh no, I never figure out how to keep the debugger to... Oh, shift F11. Oh my god. How to keep it from going into these internal things that I don't want to see. I only care about my own stuff. This is why I don't like using the debugger. I don't figure it out. Continue, I guess, is what I have to press. Oh yeah, I close again. But it's still inside here, that's the problem. Alright, let's stop it. I don't know how to use this thing. Also, I need feedback. Like, I know I'm putting the design off, but I definitely need some feedback. I don't like this. Even just for a placeholder UI. First of all, it's way too big. The text. I want to go back to what I had. Also, why did you zoom in? I didn't specifically ask you to. And then here. I'm gonna add an empty parent. Open camping container. It's gonna take a while. And it's gonna be a horizontal layout group. I love the horizontal layout group. Okay. Another button. No, not a button, an image. It's gonna be an image. Where is it? Here it is. Open status. Open status. Graphic. I'm pretty sure they have a circle. Yeah. Okay, so the layout group, does it have control child size thing? Huh. Nope. It's weird. Oh, is that how big it is? I wanted to. This is the child. I want to make the alignment center, middle center. So then I can do this. Okay, that's fine. Wait. I wanted to have. It looks shit, but. Now I need to name it something else because now. Let's write camping open instead of open camping. Camping open. Oh, is this button so ugly? Maybe we can get rid of the button altogether. No, but then it's not clear what it does. But I feel like the image should be inside of the button. Come on, go in here. So, like that. Why? Wait, let me first open it and then. So, the text needs to be left aligned. Or not. Like this, maybe. And then this we can put it to left. Wait. Oh no, not yet. Now we put it in here. And now we can do that. All right. Looks good, looks better. And then we put it like this. And then here we can make it smaller. Oh, yeah, but then we have to adjust the text too. Okay, we need to adjust this one too now. Okay, enough fiddling around. We have this now. Oh, hi, Munis. How's it going? I am trying to work. I'm working on my current project for the first time on Twitch, which is exciting and scary, but I just went with it. And I'm just, I have this button to open and close the camping. There's currently a problem with my method, but I'm adding feedback currently to the button because it bothers me that there's none. All right, it's going well. Glad to see you live and doing Unity stuff. Yeah, I'm glad too. I've got used to it already. Like when I started, was very nerve-wracking because I have this big imposter syndrome thingy with my coding. But I think when I got used to it and accept the fact that it's fine to be struggling publicly, I will probably do Unity way more. I will still do some art stuff because I love art, but I want to do this at least once a week if I can. That'll be great. Okay, let's figure out how to. Because first of all, which method do I put this in now? I never changed the button color in Unity. That's gonna be interesting now. Everyone struggles. I also struggle when coding, and it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's true. I know my head in my brain that's true. And thanks for repeating. Thanks for the reminder. I just need some time to actually believe it. Yeah. Okay, I won't try to research it right away. I usually try for like 10 minutes, and if I can't figure it out, I'll Google. But now, okay, I think, can I do it in the Switch? I need a reference. This is the game manager. Can the game manager have a reference? Oh, that kind of sounds like it should be a UI manager thingy. But now I have, oh yeah. This is what I struggle with a lot, where to put stuff. Because what I'm always told is keep things separate. So, certain scripts classes should not be knowing of certain other classes, like and stuff like that. So I have a dedicated UI stuff, so should put it in that. Yeah, I should put it in the dedicated UI thing, not in this one. However, this is when it happens. Should I make an event for it? I don't know. We'll see. I haven't visited my UI script in a long time. Wait, that's not the one. This was a tutorial, by the way. I did not write that. UI manager, okay. Let's have the money stuff. I will have to have the image. Wait, is it not an image? What do I need? I guess I need this. Oh, that's a game object, I guess. And this is an image. And then it has a color. I'm pretty sure I can access that. Wait. It should be an image. I don't even have this yet. Okay. I definitely need that. Public image. I'm not even gonna keep it. I'm gonna design the UI at some point and I'll change everything about it, but this is just for now so it doesn't look so confusing. And for practice. So let's call it. It's not a park. I keep wanting to call it a park. Camping open. I don't know. Let's call it that. That's another. Let's not look at the title. That's another. That's a game. That's another project. My previous project that I keep stealing stuff from. What was I doing? Yeah, I want to assign it. Where did I have this script living? Here? Okay. What color do I want it? Okay, first of all... Okay, that's very easy. I'll just do this. Do we have color as a thing? I guess. I keep disrespecting my naming conventions. Red. Serialized field. Call me psycho. It's been a while since I sang here. I can't stay long going climbing. Oh, that sounds fun. I went climbing this summer once. I wanted to go more, but it didn't happen, kind of. But I talked to my parents about it. We might go, us three. That might be fun. But I'm quite happy right now. Neighbor's house sold for a lot more than the initial price. And we have house viewings next week. So hopefully we'll get a lot for us as well. Nice. I cannot comment at all on house stuff. It sounds very complicated. But good luck with that. Having such a great sale will most likely boost ours. Right, so your neighbor's house. Okay. Well then, good. All the best with that. Hope it goes well. Yeah, I used to have it. You said you can't stay long, so I don't want to keep you too long. But I used to climb in high school with a friend. There was a climbing wall at a sports hall or whatever you call it, and we always went there and we played around more. Like we did that thing where we put on, I don't know the climbing terminology in English at all, but we put on the thingy. Both of us put on the thingy, and then one would climb up, and then the other one would jump, and then we would just like play on the wall. I mean, we just like bounce off the wall. I know that was fun. But we did a little bit of climbing too, but it's been a long time. Last time I did it, which was like last month, I realized, oh, that's actually quite demanding. That's actually cardio, like, and my arms and stuff. So that was interesting. The harness, so you to swing around in the ropes. Yeah, I did not mean the harness. I meant the thing where you put in the rope and you pull like this, that thing. We both had one, I think. Or maybe not. No, maybe just one had one. And because okay, yeah, I forgot about how it works. I think one just had one. We just swing around. That was so fun. That was so much fun. We haven't talked in a long time. But that was a very fun time. Oh, that's fun. I didn't know it was played like that. Let me add the green. See, if I was a good artist, I would know the hex code for green by heart, but I don't. So it's probably something. Oh, 00FF00. Okay, got it. Green. Right, yeah. The 00FF00. It's easy to remember. I just never thought about it. Wait, that's not it. Boom. It's such an ugly green, this one, but I'll just do it. I will need a proper color palette that's all like in the design stage, but yeah. Usually one has a belay device and the other one ties into the rope. Okay, then I guess that's the belay device, what I meant. Yeah. Okay, let's figure out how to... No, that's my OBS. Let's figure out how to even do this. So the method has to be here. I don't even know what the... change color. I don't even know what the component is. It's probably, okay, let's check. Camping opening image dot color. Oh, is it just this one immediately? Okay, I have to head out now though, but glad to see you. Keep up the good work. Thank you. And wait, you said you went, yeah, you're going climbing. Enjoy your climbing. And thanks for chatting. Oh. Okay, change color. I also want it to be, should I just set it to, should I make it a button? Or should I set it to, should I set it according to, I'll set it according to, okay, I'll set it according to that other one. Make instance is, wait, no, it's in camping stats. I have too many singletons. But it's just so addicting. Okay, I use this, but oh, I need another variable. That's what I do. Private color camping open image color. And then here in start, I will, oh, we're collapsing this because it looks ugly. Oh, update labels? No, that should not go in there. In start, we're gonna set camping open image punct color to camping open image color. And in here, we're gonna go if this. I'm just gonna do an ugly little if else. They're not always bad. I don't know why I don't like them. I don't know why I don't like them, but I should be more open to them. Camping open image color equals, when it's open, equals to green, and then otherwise equals to red. Okay, now I'm thinking this could just, what if would it be bad if we put this in the update? Would that be bad? We could also just make it happen every time we just press the button. Yeah, we could do that. Maybe that would be better. The button is here, camping open button. And then we could just add another one, and we're gonna go it's in the UI, right? And then we're gonna go Wait, is that everything? Is that all? Did I make it private? No, it's public. It's an UI manager. It's public. UI manager. Oh, there it is. I just didn't find it. Let's see if it works. No, of course it doesn't. Oh yeah, because I'm not even setting this anywhere. I forgot to do that. Shall we install? No, I did that. Oh, it's false. Why would it change? I'm silly. I'm so silly. I feel like it's awkward the way I'm doing it anyways, but... Of... No, I need a debug to be sure. I need a debug. Maybe it should be events-based. I don't know. Yeah. Game manager. And I have that. Hi, Ichiki. I'm bad at reading usernames. How are you doing? I'm working on a very new project. So everything is kind of basic and like in the mentality of make it work first and then make it pretty. Yeah, I have to log, so I'll just check what happens. Oh, I have a null reference. I guess I'll check this out first. Something isn't set. Capping image color isn't set. Wait, I thought I could just have that. Okay, let me check. I could just set that. Oh, I'm not setting it though. It doesn't start off. It starts off as null. So before I do that, I should... This might fix it. I hope, at least. I forgot my dog was here. She's still sleeping in my bed. I still got the... It's bad. Open is now true. Color should change. It does not change though. Well, at least the methods work. I don't know if it's related to my... Okay, it's just not working. Okay, See, but I... Okay, which one is it? I have these. And then... Oh, my dog wants to go. I'll be right back. Okay. Nah, this one. That's the problem. I'm staring right at it. It's always something like that. Okay, let's hope that this is fine now. Bruh. It's gone. Uh, oh, is my alpha at 0 accidentally? Yeah, it looks like it. Rookie mistake. But it's not changing the color though. Aha. Is open is now true, color should change. Is open is now false, color should change. Is open is not true. Color should change, but the color is not. Oh! This is why I am specifically requiring this thing, which it can't be open. I'm setting it up all the wrong way. I have the rules in camping stats that it can only open when certain conditions are fulfilled. I should be making the button not interactable when it can't be opened. How does that work again? I think it's in the canvas group actually, right? Canvas. Canvas group. Oh, probably doesn't work on the button. Canvas group. Are we gonna call this public canvas group? Open camping group. Assign it immediately, otherwise I will definitely forget. Alright. So where do I put it? Where do I put it? No, I don't need that. I'm just setting. Wait. Open camping group, not camping open group. Open camping group equals. No, dot interactable equals this. Okay, just to be sure. just to be sure that if that is the right setting. Yes. Now, okay, since I actually do want to call it open camping. Open. And then we're just going to change the text. No, we're going to rename this to... going to rename this to... on open camping button pressed. And what's the thing I just had in my head? I just had it in my head. Oh, change the text. Yeah, change the text. If instance is open. I'm doing this in a weird order, I feel like, because this is the button that makes it open. And then now I'm pressing it to make it open. And as I'm pressing it and checking this, I'm changing it. That's weird. That's weird. Yeah, I'm doing it wrongly. I should rather just remove this. And then just call it inside of the other button. Specifically after I did... Oh, before? As the UI manager. Okay, UI manager. Here. I run this. If it's open, if it is, okay, we switch it, and now if it is open, we put it green, and if it is not open, we put it red. And also if it is open, we put a text. What's the text, by the way? Oh. I wanted to have the text here. Public text. Is it text or is it Text Mesh Pro? It's probably Text Mesh Pro UI. Open camping text. Also, this should be renamed so it is not so confusing. Open camping image. Open camping text dot text equals close camping. in here, open camping text.t text, open camping. And now we need to assign it. Here, and this is the text. This is the text. Also, why is the image none again? Here, this is the image. Let's try this. Okay, so it's grayed out. That's great. Oh, I'm not making it interactable back, am I? No, actually, wait. No, actually, it should work. Okay, so all I need to do is fulfill the conditions that I have set. Which is it has to have a reception and a spot. No. No. I did it wrong. Because it should not be like that. It should be... Obviously, it won't work the way I just did it. I called it should spawn visitors, but that name now is wrong. Yeah. Also, this is weird. I need another bool. Let's call it opening conditions met. Opening condition. No, wait a minute. How do I do this? I feel like should spawn visitor is different than opening conditions, because the opening conditions is, does it have a reception? And then the should spawn visitors is there actually space for the visitors? I think I'm gonna make a new one. Opening conditions met. Let's just do this for now. First of all, the has reception. Currently checks with currently simply checks whether camping site has a reception building. Later there should be a list of required structures. I already have that, but essential structures. Structures. Okay. So I know. To do check for other essential structures. Okay, so we have the opening conditions met. So here we can call this instead opening conditions met. Then it's actually, now I'm starting to doubt whether this should even be in camping stats. Maybe I should fully put it into visitors one because camping stats is already a singleton. Weirdly initiated, but it's still a singleton. Available spots. I put it in here because this one has the available spots. Which isn't working yet, but it's already there. I'm gonna take a break soon. Let me think. House reception. What do I need to do? Oh, when this is met, I'm allowed to open the park. That's what where I was going with that. What if I do camping stats instance opening conditions met? It's a method, right? So if they are met, I can open. But like, what? Imagine, no. Like, imagine they become unmet. For example, I delete the reception, then the button becomes frozen. We'll fight. Okay, now if I'm allowed to do it, and then I press the button, I open. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. And then I take a minute little break. And I can run another. Okay. So we do the opening conditions, having reception, having spot. Hi, Yami Prushi. Oh my god, you're using my emote. That's so I like seeing that. Hope you like it. How are you doing? Okay. Obviously it's not working. I need to figure out why it's not working. Love you emote. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna draw more. I just have a long backlog or what of projects. So, but I'm planning to draw a mermaidy emote. Maybe just a nice little mermaid tail, because I love mermaids, and I want my Twitch channel to have mermaid theme, and then some general emotions. I don't have that many. I have 5 slots, so 4 more. Anyways, oh, good that you're doing well. Are you ready for uni start, or are you like me, which feels not ready? I'm doing good because it's still holiday, and I can still work on my nice little projects. So I'm doing good. Well, I'm feeling a little weak physically, but that's just normal. I was trying to work out yesterday and it didn't work. It didn't work out. I was tired after 10 minutes. I could usually do 15 to 20, so I had to stop. So I'm gonna probably need a bit of rest, which I'm not gonna have because all my dance days are planned, but it'll go over. Anyway, that's my little essay on how I'm doing. I'm preparing slowly. I try working out too, and I couldn't. Yeah, I maybe it was something in the weather. Maybe it's not even our fault or our body's fault. I do feel super tired though, and I did not go much later than usual. I do go too late in general to sleep, but I don't know what's different, why I'm feeling so tired today. Maybe it is, I don't know, if it's something in the weather or if it's this like ending of summer thing that's lying in the air or something. But I'm just so tired. Yeah, if it was the two of us, then it can't be a coincidence. Maybe other people also couldn't really work out because I was in pain after 10 minutes. I had the what's that called? When you when you when you ha your the Stachon thing. No, I don't know if you speak Luxembourgish actually. When you have this burning sensation. I don't know. It just it I felt it didn't go well. Um, should I actually do the break now? I don't know. I wanted to do a break. Anyways. I definitely want to figure out what's the problem right now with my little thingy. Maybe I should fix the problem before I go take a break. Let's see. Let's see. First order of business, always placing the debug logs. Are you into programming at all? Okay. What was I doing? Okay, that worked. Conditions are met, so I can interact with the button. Now, when I press the button, oh, did it work? Actually, let me check that first. That's the first thing that happened. I placed the structure. I got this debug. I got this. I got this. Oh yeah, but they immediately spawned, which they shouldn't. No, they should actually. They immediately spawned because of the should spawn visitors. Nope, I'm interested in game making, but not really the programming part. That's cool. I started off as a game artist. So I studied 2 years game art. The BTS degree is what it's called. You might have heard of it. Where we mainly just learned about optimization, modeling, how to make game assets, mostly 3D, which I'm more interested in anyways. Yeah. But if you're not interested in the programming part, but still in the making games, there's a bunch of visual scripting out there. Which is like, you still have to think in the same kind of logic that programming requires, but you don't have to type anything. Might be an idea. But other than that, there's the game art part and the game design part. Which I covered in my studies, and now I'm trying to get better at the programming part. So that's kind of my kind of thing. So I'm doing something wrong with opening the camping thing. I should be opening it here when I press the button, but it's already open before I press the button. Where does it get changed? Why does this keep switching around this thing here? I want it to be current project. Is open is false. Good. It gets changed here, but that's when I press the button. And I didn't press the button. When else? No, actually, it does not get opened. The problem is that they spawn even when it's not open. Because I took it out of here. It should not go here. This should be simply just be is open. Okay, now that we've figured out that, we can check it again. And if that works, then I will take my little break. Okay, it's grayed out. Good. Now fulfill the conditions. Maybe I should have a button that... No. I can do it. It's not that much. Fulfill the conditions. Conditions fulfilled. Now I can open it. Okay, let's wait to make sure it's not opening itself. Okay, open it. The thing doesn't work, but did it get opened actually? No, it didn't, because the debug thingies. Wait, why is it not working? That's a good question. I pressed a button. Did something go wrong? Oh! I love when problems have such easy fixes. I haven't come across anything that felt hard to fix yet. Just silly stuff. I changed the name, so obviously disconnected. Just silly stuff, but sometimes I get problems where I work on for days and weeks. I'm glad I haven't had that yet. Usually it's something quite evident when something doesn't work right away. Actually, that's the norm. If something works right away, something is weird. Something is wrong. Then you should be actually concerned. Okay, it's closed. I'm sorry about this. I should probably get rid of this. This was an old debug I had for pathfinding. This is a note, actually, that is used for pathfinding. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. Okay, I press it. It actually opens. The color change doesn't work, but it actually opens. So that's good, right? I close it. But we still have that problem, yeah. Okay. I do wonder what happens if I delete this. Yeah, it immediately becomes uninteractable, which is very interesting. And now I put the path back. I put the reception back. Oh, all right. At least that one works. And the writing also works, I just realized. What kind of game are you making? I am making... I have my little concept document here. It's supposed to be a cozy, simple camping site management game in one of these, like in a similar style than the pictures I googled. Where you basically have you're building a campsite. Yeah. Here's the text. Yeah. And I didn't put that down here actually, but one of the main inspirations is the game Planet Coaster or Roller Coaster Tycoon 3, which is the first video game I ever played. I was ever into, and I played it for hours, and it was like my childhood game, and I loved it. So I want to do that, but not for roller coaster park, but for camping, basically. Obviously, also design my own way, but that's the game I have in mind when I think about what kind of game I want it to be. And I want it to be simpler. So, okay, we need to figure out why the color is not working. Probably something very obvious. Because everything else is working. Caller should change. This gets called. Now let's go in here to see if that works. Which should work. Hello, Scroll Reaper. How is it going? I've moved on to one of my main projects, which is a little cozy camping builder game. So in my project planning, I'm doing the programming part first. So there won't be much art. In the next, hey, it's going well. Started my day with some studies and piano practice. Oh, that's cool. Studies, drawing studies, you mean? And piano practice, I used to do that actually. I actually took classes every week for 1 year and twice a week also for 1 year. I haven't played in years though. My main instrument is violin. I haven't played that one for years either, but I took the whole education. So, how's your piano? Wait, let me formulate the question. What kind of activity is piano for you? Are you like going for? Do you like playing classical stuff? Do you play regularly? Are you going for degrees? You know, that kind of thing. Portfolio piece. Going for portfolio piece. Nice. Yeah, art studies. Cool. What are you studying? I always tell myself that I need to do more art studies, but I don't manage to fit them in my day, to be honest. If I had to do them, I would do glass and crystals and stuff, because that is very hard for me. Play mainly video game or anime songs. Oh, that's cool. Although they are usually centered more for the more orchestral types of songs. That's really nice. The reason I kind of stopped violin is that I never really bothered to play what I wanted. I always just played classical for my education. But piano is really fun because I always thought, and I like that the harmonies, how do you call it? Like the chords and everything. With the violin, you usually just play one note at a time. You can obviously play chords, but I never liked it because you have to do like a thing. So, but that's very cool to play what you're actually passionate about. I should have done that really. Yeah. Well, that's cool. Piano called to me. I started with violin actually. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. I played since I was 7, and I kind of stopped playing regularly at least when I was 17. So basically, it's the thing in my life that it's the longest, the most consistently. And like a few days or every week or like a few times a month, let's say, I think about it actually because I miss it. I just don't get the opportunity. I would love to have an ensemble to play in, because that's quite neat. Actually, I always loved playing in an ensemble, but again, how do you fit it in the day when I like so many things? I only practiced for a year. Yeah, that's my opinion, right? But I feel like violin is so much more fun if you have people to play with. And it's easy to lose motivation. Unless you really enjoy playing solo. But violin, to me, is more fun in an orchestra, ensemble, with piano, or whatever. And also the learning curve is weird. It's like this. It takes a long time. you will pick up piano very quickly, I imagine. Okay, well, actually, it went too slow for my taste. Because I did try for like 2 years to practice regularly, and I never really got to it. Because I didn't have room in my life, really. I imagine that if I practiced every day, or at least every other day or something, I would probably get more comfortable, but it's just not that high on the priority list, so it's probably not gonna happen. Yeah. A violin is very expressive as well, like very emotive. I fully agree. That's what I miss about it. You know, that's funny. I was thinking of like funny redeems I could do for the stream, for the Twitch channel, and what I thought of was actually to have like a violin improv session, but for that I first do what do you call it in English when you put when you make the strings sound right? Tune it. I first gotta tune it, and like my brain is like, oh, this big task, then I'm not gonna do it. Otherwise, I could just pick it up and improvise. I love improvising, but I hate tuning it. So I gotta tune it, and then I gotta record it and check if it even works. But I love violin in songs also, like in pop songs. I love that. Maybe using Synthesia. It's a program similar to Guitar Hero. You mean to play to accompany the violin? I don't even know what Guitar Hero actually is. I know it's a program, probably, but so you don't have to learn the sheet music and you go right into the song. Oh, is it? Okay. Wait, I'm gonna turn this chat on here on this thing. There's this 1.5 minute video of a violin competition. This guy did a Hunter song. Interesting. Unfortunately, I don't know that reference, but I can imagine because violin can sound very impressive. Chose the notes falling down 2 keys. Okay, I get it. Piano program. To learn piano? Oh, is that what you mean? To learn piano? Oh, Guitar Hero is an app to learn the guitar. Okay, I think I got what you mean. And you can share the video if you want, yeah. Oh, my cup is empty. Yeah, I miss music, but there's no time in my life for that right now because I already have the game thing, the writing thing, and the art thing, and the uni thing, and the life thing. But music is so nice. Now, why is my thing not working? Change to green. And then color should change to red. Let's see if this runs. Guitar Hero is a video game. Oh, okay. With a fake guitar with few buttons, but the actual one for learning guitar is Rocksmith. Okay, got it. Here's the video. I'll open it on my other device. I don't know what'll happen if I press the link on my computer. It will go to my YouTube channel or not. But maybe I can find it here. Wait, let me try that. Yeah. Go on. I hate ads. Alright. Ah, see, that's what I meant with the chords. You can do it, but it's hard. I would never. Cool. Oh, you can't hear it? Wait. Um, that's interesting. Am I not sharing Chrome audio? Actually, in that case, I don't know how to fix it. Usually it should work. Unless I just quickly add desktop. Oh, did it work afterwards? No, it did not. Okay. Oh, okay. Thanks for letting me know. Then I gotta figure this out, probably off stream. But maybe I can add. Um, you can see my little my part of my OBS. That's funny. Which one is it? Okay, let's see if this works.